turn from there to today's ground report. It comes from Jharkhand, where there's been a massive cash haul by the Enforcement Directorate. The ED conducted raids in Ranchi, recovering piles of unaccounted cash allegedly linked to a Jharkhand minister, Alamgir Alam's personal secretary, Sanjeev Lal. This has led to a war of words between the BJP and the opposition. Take a look.
Piles of cash seized in Jharkhand. The Enforcement Directorate on Monday found allegedly unaccounted cash running into crores. The cash was recovered from the residence of the domestic help of the Secretary of State, Minister Alamgir Alam. Videos and photos showed officials of the Central Probe Agency taking out wads of currency notes from large bags in a room in the house. The person who allegedly kept the cash works as a domestic help of Minister Alam's personal secretary, Sanjeev Lal. Note counting machines were deployed to count the cash to ascertain the exact amount, which could range between 20 and 30 crore rupees, according to ED sources. Some jewellery was also recovered in addition to the cash. Alamgir Alam, a Congress leader representing Paku seat in the Jharkhand Assembly, evades queries on the cash haul.
संजीव लाल एक सरकारी मुलाजिम है, वो हमारा पीएस है और हम लोग भी जब भी पीएस यूएस सिलेक्शन करते हैं तो अनुभव के आधार पर करते हैं। इसके पहले भी दो मंत्री का पीएस रह चुके थे। अब हम लाए हैं, सरकारी मुलाजिम है। टीवी में आप लोग जो देख रहे हैं हम भी वही देख रहे हैं। अब ईडी का क्या निष्कर्ष आएगा बाद में बताया जाएगा।
The BJP targeted the JMM Congress coalition government in Jharkhand with the Prime Minister leading the charge.
आज यहाँ पड़ोस में झारखंड में नोटों के पहाड़ मिल रहे हैं, नोटों के पहाड़। लोगों का चोरी किया माल पकड़ रहा है मोदी वहां। अब मुझे बताइए, मैं चोरी बंद कर दूं, इनकी कमाई बंद कर दूं, इनकी लूट बंद कर दूं, तो मोदी को गाली देंगे कि नहीं देंगे?
आप तो आलमगीर आलम को मंत्रिमंडल से बर्खास्त करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उनके नौकर के यहाँ अगर इतना, इनका निजी सचिव के नौकर के घर से अगर इतनी करोड़ रुपया बरामद होता है, तो मंत्री के घर और मंत्री के सचिव बाकी लोगों के घरों में छापामारी होगा तो पता नहीं कितना करोड़ों टका मिलेगा तो यहाँ वहाँ रखा होगा।
ED sources say these raids are in connection with an ongoing investigation in a money laundering case against Virendra K. Ram, former chief engineer of the Jharkhand Rural Development Department, who was arrested last year. The cash is linked to alleged irregularities in the implementation of schemes in the department. Virendra K. Ram was arrested in February 2023 by the Enforcement Directorate after the probe agency launched multiple searches in Ranchi, Jamshedpur and other places in Jharkhand along with Bihar and Delhi. Last year, Congress MP Dheeraj Sahu had hit national headlines after nearly 350 crore rupees were recovered in income tax raid on firms linked to him. The latest cash haul by ED could become an embarrassment for the Congress in the middle of the Lok Sabha campaign. Bureau Report, India Today.
Election time is also cash time.